Okay, now we are doing the next exercise. We are going to fill the blanks. This is filling the blanks. We are going to tell the name of the picture loudly and we are going to find out the missing letters. Okay, this is a exercise. Okay, just read it out the heading carefully. Fill in the blanks. We want to fill in the blanks and with the missing letters. Okay, with the missing letters we want to fill the blanks. Okay, let's see the exercise. What is the first picture? I think you love the first picture. Yes, what is this? Is a cake. Yes, what is a cake? I think it's a strawberry cake because the strawberry is there, isn't it? I think it's a strawberry cake. Okay, how many of them will like the strawberry cake? Yes, I too love the strawberry cake. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Let's do the exercise cake. Okay, let's tell me the spelling for cake. Before telling the spelling for the cake, we want to tell loudly the word cake. Cake, cake, cake. Okay, k, yes, ye sound. Ye sound. Cake. Cake. Okay, listen here what she is doing. Yes, she's diving into the pool. I think it's a pool or a sea. I don't know what about it, but the action is dive. I, if you're getting E, then you will put I. Dive, long E, B, dive. Okay, let's see this picture. What is this? This is a, yes, this is a bell. There are a first letter B was given and here dash and the L was given and the final dash is here. The two dash was given. What is the correct spelling for bell? Sound long, not a ba, then it will become a ball. If you put A, then it will become a ball. Okay, this is a bell, little bit shorter A sound, then you can put a E. L, you are getting a long L sound. If you are getting anything long sound, we want to put a same letter 2 times. Bell. Okay, did you saw the bell anywhere? Yes, you will find it out in your school, isn't it? If your bell rings, then your school will get start, as well as when a bell rang, the school will get finished. Okay, at the evening time we will be a curiosity when the bell will get rang, isn't it? Okay, let's do the next exercise. Next picture. What is this? Yes, this is a bone. Bow. Yes, you are getting a O sound. Bone. E sound. Bone. E sound. Isn't it, children? Bone. Okay, let's do the next picture. Next picture is this is a, yes, this is a dress. What is the spelling? The first 2 letter word was given. DR was given and 1 dash. Then S was given and then another dash. Dress. You're getting a little bit A sound. Not a dra. It's gonna become a, if you put A, then it will become a dra, not a dress. It's a dra. Short E, A sound, then will become a, put a E. Dress. Long S sound. Dress. Not a dress, it's a dress. So if you're getting anything a longer sound, you want to put the same word 2 times. S. Okay, double yes. Dress. Okay, let's do this picture. What is this? You are going to answer. I'm not going to answer it. You are going to answer. What is this? Yes, this is a cube. This is a cube. C-U. Yes, C-U. First, we just find it out the first 2 letter word. Q. Yes, U sound. Cube. B. E sound. Cube. Okay, you're getting a C-U-B-E sound. Okay, cube. Cube. It's not a QB, it's a cube only, but we want to add a E. Cube. cube. Okay, let's see the next set of picture. Okay, let's see the next picture. What is this? This is a mountain, and what he is doing? Yes, he is. It's not a climb. It's not a climb. It's a cliff. Cliff. Okay, cliff. What? Yes, she is a. He is performing a cliff. C-L-I-F-E. Cliff. Cliff. Okay. So if you put a climb, if you put a, then it will become like here if was given. No, so we not put the climb. You are going to write the spelling for cliff. Cliff. Okay. Now I'm going to the next picture. What is this? This is a, yes, this is a well. 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 You're getting a L longer sound. Well. Well. Okay. Well. Okay. Look at this picture. This is, what is this? This is a grass. Not a grass. It's a grass. Grass. What's the spelling for gra? G-R. Gra. Yes. Loudly. Yes. Sound coming, isn't it? So we want to put a ye. Grass. Grass. Yes sound. Grass. Yes, we want to put a yes here. Okay. Next one. What is this? This is a, yes, this is a blade. Blade. If you put e, then it will become a bleed. Not a lighter a sound. It's having a louder a sound. Blade. Blade. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. You want to put a yeah here. Blade. D, like a cube, it's also blade. E, yes, isn't it? Okay, okay. So far we have it. Find it out the missing blanks, and we'll fill it with missing letters. This is a cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. This is a bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. And this is a dive. D-I-V-E. Dive. This is a bone. B-O-N-E. Bone. This is a dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. This is a cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. This is a cliff. C-L-I-F-E. Cliff. This is a well. W-E-L-L. Well. Okay. In well, what is the use of the well? Did you saw any well near to your home, or you having a well in your home? What is the use of the well? Yes, using the well, we can take the water. Isn't it, children? Did you saw it? Okay, hereafter, if you saw any well, you can see what is this actually. Okay, but we want to keep a distance with well. Okay, we want to keep a little bit distance. We will be always away from the well. Okay, next is grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Grass. And this is blade. B-L-A-D-E. Blade. Okay, children, did you understand which sound is getting a longer and which one having a vowel sound? Okay, let's move to the next exercise.